Today is Buddhist Lent, one of the big ceremonies in the Buddhist calendar. And we're in the temple today just to give thanks and blessings to Buddha. As you can see, proceedings haven't started as yet, but they will do in a minute. Everyone's got their offerings. Some flowers as offerings. And also with the offerings, it come these little packages. Our offering we're giving to the monks. Let's see, it's a first aid box. It's got some drinks, it's got some images of Buddha there. Got some soap and some toilet roll. So that's our offering. Oh, and some water in the corner there. So that's our offerings. And we also give them some numpao or water, also with the offerings. Everyone's creeping forward to get to the monk. Piling in. There's a queue, goes right down to the bottom of the, we're on the first floor, goes down to the ground floor. So we all creep forward, one by one, row by row. And make the monk. The tomb of one of the monks there. I've actually got a video. I went inside and seen the monk laid out in the coffin there. He's been preserved and covered in gold. He was a prominent monk here. Now the lot in front of us have all finished now. They've been blessed. They've given their offering, and now they're standing up and they're going to queue out. We're next in line to go forward. So after the finishing of the blessing is complete by the monks on the stragglers, we will be the next going up. We've all moved forward to where the monks are going to conduct the ceremony. The monks will be at the front now. So we're 3 rows back. We're just waiting for everyone to get ordered, and then the ceremony will start. And as you can see there, the monk is throwing holy water over the congregation. I just got well and truly soaked there. Now, you can see they've got this white string that goes around the congregation to encompass you into the prayers. The monks, and they're pulling the string back in now. And there's more and more people waiting outside to come in. They're spreading the water around so that everyone gets a drop of holy water. There's half a dozen monks at the front there, all flattering it all around. Here's the next sitting coming in. Let me get out of here and then people can get in. So it's very busy today. These are all the people going in.